not like hearing that. The Stoneker is an incredible machine. It was designed by a guy by the name of Stoneker, and then he has his family in Michigan and flying it, and supporting and building these aircraft. When you're doing an air show, you want to throw smoke, you want to see a spiral, you want to see smoke off from place fighters. In competition, perfectly smooth, no bobbles in the line. Just see the angles at which he's flying. He's got coat hangers on the wings, right? And they're called sighting devices, and they're all set up for each pilot to be able to look at it. You got one on the horizontal